Alright, today's video is going to be a $3 car wash versus a $16 car wash.
Would you like to add a tip? Please pay with either credit card or cash.
Alright, currently rolling up to the car wash. By the way, always read warning labels. I am not responsible for anything that happens to your car based on the wash you pick. Neutral. Just make sure the automatic wipers are off. I'll open that up so you can see what's going on above. There, I'll give you that angle. And here comes the clear coat. Alright, I'm going to pull over to the Vax, and then I'll show you exactly what this wash did. So, as you can see, the $3 wash, it's made to get the job done, so the car looks clean, but, you know, it could do better. It could give your car a shield or waxing, or it could clean your brake dust off, stuff like that. Like just the little details, that's not entirely clean. But yeah, this wash is for people not willing to spend a lot of money to get their car clean, who just want the job to be done right. Alright. So back in the car, and now for the $16 wash. All right, so it is a different day now for the $16 wash.
Select the service you want by touching the screen anytime during this message.
Oh, I parked so far away. Hold on just a second.
Would you like to add tire shine for free? Please pay with either credit card or cash. Would you like a receipt? Thank you. Have a nice day. Please wait. The gate will open when it's your turn.
And here we go. So this is what's known as the lava bath, and it looks really cool. Here, I'll open that so you can see above. Now it's doing underbody. Now it's doing the hot wax. Man, those lights are bright. And now this is what's called the Vision Clear, as opposed to just a normal clear coat. Then the clear coat, and then the tire shine. And then finally the heated dry up ahead. All right, I'm gonna go park this over by the vacuum station, and I'll show you what exactly this wash did compared to the $3 wash. So as you can see, it cleaned the rims, got rid of the brake dust. As you can see from earlier in the video, it gave it a lava bath, and it also gave it a hot wax and some other touch-ups. You also get underbody. So that means it cleans the underside of the car as opposed to just the shell. But yeah, I'd say at least once in your lifetime, get the most expensive car wash you can buy just to see the cool things it does. You will not regret it. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Peace out. Stay tuned for more. Smash that thumbs up if you enjoyed today's video. Subscribe if you're new and turn on post notifications so you won't miss another video or stream. And have a nice day, everyone.